Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranbury Fields, and today I want to do an unboxing of some gorgeous tulips and daffodils and alliums and peonies that the fine folks over at Dutchbulbs.com sent us. So if we haven't met yet, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranbury Fields Flower Farm here in Cranbury, New Jersey. So please feel free to subscribe to our channel for more garden tips. So let's dive right in, guys. So I always love the products that Dutchbulbs.com sends out because I put them in the ground and they come back year after year. So they're really, really reliable. So let's check out what they sent us. So the first thing that they sent us, Allium Gladiator. So these are the big, giant, purpley, Dr. Seuss looking flowers that you'll see sometimes when you're at like a beautiful hotel or you're at someone's like house and they have just like amazing landscaping. They're the big, giant mummers that are so beautiful you can't help but look at them and be like, oh my gosh, like what is that? So I'm so happy that they sent these, and they sent a lot of them. I love that, and I love doing mass groupings of tulips and alliums and daffodils, because if you just plant them like one or two, it's not usually enough to give you like a lot of impact. So when you're planting these bulbs, it's a good idea to use like maybe like 5, or if you can put 7 in the ground. A florist power tip, a lot of times when we're doing arrangements, we'll use odd numbers. For some reason that just works better. It's very aesthetically pleasing. So if you can put some of these bulbs in your garden and do them in groupings of, say, like I said, like maybe 5, 7, 15, instead of just like the 1 or the 2. Sometimes people will put them in a row. They'll put like 1, 2, and then they'll leave them alone. It looks a little bit sad. So think of doing as much of a mass planting as you can and use those odd numbers, and that's like a great florist, flower farmer power tip. So let's see what else is in this great box. So we've got some Allium Purple Sensation, which is another gorgeous form of that purple Dr. Seuss flower, like I call it. And this is the size that I use in my flower arrangements, and people go bananas over them. And they have a very long-lasting vase life. So Allium Purple Sensation, this is the way to go if you love using your flowers in your garden for cut flowers. So they sent a lot of these. There's 25 in here, there's 25 in here. I mean, this is like Christmas. This is like going trick-or-treating and you hit like the house that has like the big giant candy bars. So it's like, yeah, wow. They also sent a double daffodil mix, which is so amazing because when we were talking on the phone, they had asked me about some of my favorite varieties. And I love double daffodils because they almost look peony-esque. They almost look like big, giant yellow peonies when they're coming up in the gardens in spring because they've got double blooms. So they're nice and thick and cushiony and yellow and gorgeous, and you're gonna love these. So they sent this, which is a mix. It's like all different varieties of their double daffodils. I like having that variety. And they sent a whole bunch of these. Wow. I mean, the mass planting is going to be like insane. Holy smokes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so now let's hop on over to one of my favorites, peonies. You guys know how much I love peonies. So they sent over 5 of, actually they sent over 10 of these. I have 2 packages. And this is called Double Peony. Please forgive me, those of you that speak French. Mon Julie. Can you believe that I took 5 years of French, like in high school and college, and that's how I pronounced it? And I wanted to show you what these peony tubers look like. So this is a great time of year to plant peony tubers. And what I love about Dutch Bulb products is they send you like a really nice size tuber. They send you really beautiful large bulbs. And this is what their tuber looks like. It's got 3 eyes. And when you plant this in the ground, I'm going to make videos on all this to show you how to plant them. You're going to plant them not too deep. A lot of times people don't get peony blooms, and it's because they plant their peony eyes too deep. You only want to bury these with about 2 inches of soil above the eyes. And that's a flower farmer power tip, because a lot of people will bury these like 6 or 7 inches in the ground and they can't figure out why they don't have blooms. And they have beautiful green peony leaves, but there's no flowers. And it's because these eyes are buried too deep. So 2 inches of soil above it is the rule of thumb, but I'm going to make you guys planting videos on peonies, daffodils, alliums, and tulips, and I'm going to try to get those out within the next 2 weeks. So this is a beautiful size peony tuber. I can pretty much guarantee that this guy is going to come up and have 3 beautiful, gorgeous double peonies the first season out. And a lot of times it takes like a year or 2 to get your peonies to bloom, to look gorgeous, because a lot of times they don't arrive in the mail in such good shape and in such big form. So, okay, I'm excited to get these guys in there. Let's see what else we have. When I spoke to the folks at Dutchbulbs.com, they told me that one of their favorite tulips is this Pride mix. I said, what's one of your favorite tulips? I want to put in the ground what you guys really seem to love and what you love to sell. So they were telling me about Tulip Pride mix, so they sent over a ton of these. And I noticed the other day that On one of my old Dutchbulbs.com catalogs, they have them on the cover. Now, this catalog, you can tell the name is K. van Bourgondian, and I'm sorry that I botched that name too, but this was the original name of Dutchbulbs.com. So if you ever see this name on Instagram or online, it's the same exact company as Dutchbulbs.com. And this is what the Pride Tulip mixture looks like when they actually bloom. So I'm really excited to try these gals out. Oh, and I want to tell you guys that Dutchbulbs.com is giving our flower tribe, well, anybody who has this code, 25% off site-wide if you use the coupon code Kelly25. So it's capital Kelly, the number 25, and just plug it in at the end, you get 25% off. I mean, that's amazing. So thank you, Dutchbulbs.com, for that. And I'll put links for that below in descriptions for their website and for our coupon code, and please feel free to share it with anybody. And once again, these bulbs are a really gorgeous, beautiful size. I want to show you what some of these look like. I've gotten bulbs before in the mail, and they're shriveled up, and they're kind of beat up, and they're not plump, but this is like a beautiful, large size bulb, and it's nice and fresh, it's not dried up, and Dutchbulbs.com prides itself in sending really large bulbs, and that means that you're probably going to have a beautiful, beautiful flower from the first season out. You're not going to have to wait like 2 or 3 years to get some beautiful blooms. They should just start coming up the first year, out of the gate, gorgeous. So really beautiful, very impressive. Then we've got Narcissus Double Beauty. Once again, you've got these double daffodils that are so gorgeous. Oh, Narcissus Double Beauty, yay! And then we've got this grouping of Narcissus Dick Wilden. These guys are a gorgeous double daffodil that has beautiful, beautiful yellow double petals. And then the center is like a deeper, beautiful orange. So it's almost like it almost feels like you're looking at like a tropical colored peony. It sent us a ton of these. So we've got 3 bags of these guys to work with, which is, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So I want to thank the fine folks over at Dutchbulbs.com for sending this beautiful treasure trove of fall bulbs. And I'm going to make you guys some planting videos to show you how to get all these babies in the ground. So check out Dutchbulbs.com, use your coupon code Kelly25, and guys, check out the link in descriptions below. I'll put the link for the website, Dutchbulbs.com. You can use your coupon code Kelly25, and they also gave me a website link that if you click right onto that website, the URL, it actually has like our code already in there. Click onto that, you're right onto that site-wide 25% off discount. So thanks again, Dutchbulbs.com and Flower Tribe. I will see you guys in the next video.